In this segment, I'll be discussing about the chemical reactions of carboxylic acids. And in this chemical reactions of carboxylic acid, I'll be discussing about the reactions involving the cleavage of COH bond. First one is formation of anhydride. First one is formation of anhydride. In this reaction, carboxylic acids on heating with mineral acids such as H2SO4 or with P2O5, they give the corresponding anhydride. Here we have taken two molecules or 2 moles of ethanoic acid. This on heating with mineral acid like H2SO4 or P2O5 gives the corresponding anhydride, which is nothing but ethanoic anhydride. And this takes place with the loss of water molecule. And next one is esterification reaction. In esterification reaction, the carboxylic acids are esterified with alcohols or phenols in presence of mineral acids such as H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4 or HCl as catalyst. They give the corresponding ester. Here we have taken the carboxylic acid and alcohol in presence of mineral acid such as concentrated H2SO4 or HCl gas as catalyst to give the corresponding ester RCOO R dash plus H2O. Next reaction is reactions with PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2. The hydroxyl group of carboxylic acid. This is the hydroxyl group of carboxylic acids. They behave like that of alcohols and is easily replaced by chlorine atom on treating with PCl3, PCl5 or SOCl2. SOCl2 is nothing but thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride is preferred because the other two products are gaseous and escape the reaction mixture, making the purification of the products easier. That is SO2 and HCl, they are found to be the escaping gases, so that purification of the products is found to be easier. Next reaction is reaction with ammonia. Carboxylic acids, they will react with ammonia to give the ammonium salt, which on heating with higher temperature, further heating at higher temperature, they give amides. They give the corresponding amides. Let us see few examples. First one is carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid with ammonia. We are getting ammonium acetate. Formula is found to be CH3COO NH4, COO minus NH4 plus. This on further heating, it loses a water molecule and we are getting the amide CH3CO NH2, which is nothing but acetamide. In reaction with ammonia, we will discuss few more examples. One more example is benzoic acid C6H5COOH. When it is treated with ammonia, we are getting ammonium benzoate C6H5COO NH4 plus, COO minus NH4 plus. This on further heating at a higher temperature, it loses a water molecule to give the corresponding amide, which is nothing but benzamide. Formula is C6H5CO NH2. One more example for the reaction of carboxylic acid with ammonia. Here the name of the acid is phthalic acid. PHTHALIC. Phthalic acid with ammonia gives ammonium phthalate. C6H4COO NH4 plus C6H4COO NH4 plus. Here this plus and here plus. This on further heating loses a water molecule to give the corresponding amide, that is phthalimide. This phthalimide on strong heating loses one molecule of ammonia, giving phthalimide CONH. So here it is not NH2, it is NH. It is not CONH2. Here CONH2 means it is phthalimide. It loses one molecule of ammonia, giving the compound as phthalimide. The next segment of chemical reaction is reactions involving the cleavage of COOH group. For example, if you take the carboxylic acid or COOH, the bond between the alkyl and the carboxylic carbon breaks. So, reactions involving the cleavage of COOH group we are going to see. First one is reduction. Carboxylic acids, they are reduced to primary alcohols by lithium aluminum hydride or better with diborane. Diborane does not easily reduce functional groups such as ester, nitro, halo, etc. Sodium borohydride NaBH4, it does not reduce the carboxyl group. Here we are having the carboxylic acid which is getting reduced to the primary alcohol in presence of lithium aluminum hydride or diborane. Next reaction is decarboxylation. Decarboxylation reaction, carboxylic acids, they lose carbon dioxide to form hydrocarbons when their sodium salts, when the sodium salts of carboxylic acid, when they are heated with soda lime. Soda lime is nothing but a mixture of NaOH and CaO in the ratio 3:1. And this reaction is known as decarboxylation reaction. The next reaction is substitution reaction in the hydrocarbon part. First one is halogenation, and this is a name reaction, Hell-Volhard-Zelensky reaction. In this reaction, carboxylic acids having an alpha hydrogen, they are halogenated at the alpha position on treatment with chlorine or bromine in presence of a small amount of red phosphorus to give the alpha halo carboxylic acid. And this reaction is known as Hell-Volhard-Zelensky reaction. X can be Cl or Br. We are having two reactions in ring substitution reactions. This is an aromatic carboxylic acid which is nothing but benzoic acid. Aromatic carboxylic acids, they undergo electrophilic substitution reactions in which the carboxyl group acts as a deactivating and meta-directing group. This carboxylic group is found to be a deactivating group and it is a meta-directing group. And these carboxylic, during this electrophilic substitution reaction, they do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. Why these aromatic carboxylic acids do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction? This is because the carboxyl group is deactivating and the catalyst aluminum chloride. Friedel-Crafts catalyst is found to be aluminum chloride, which is found to be a Lewis acid. It gets bonded to the carboxyl group. That's why this aromatic carboxylic acid, they do not undergo Friedel-Crafts reaction. This is an important question. Now let's see the nitration of aromatic carboxylic acid. This undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. In this, the nitrating mixture is found to be concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. You will be this NO2 group, it enters to the meta position, it gets attached to the meta position, and the product is found to be meta-nitrobenzoic acid. The last reaction of carboxylic acid is found to be the halogenation reaction, which is nothing but bromination reaction. Bromination of carboxylic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid. When benzoic acid is treated with Br2 and FeBr3, this is found to be COOH group is found to be a meta-directing group. It allows the Br group to get attached to the meta position and we are having the meta-bromobenzoic acid. These are the chemical reactions of carboxylic acid.